Hi everybody, welcome back. Hope you've had a lovely long bank holiday weekend and enjoyed that gorgeous sunny weather we had on Friday and Saturday. I know we certainly did here. Okay, so we're going to look at a bit more problem solving with division today. Slightly different to the stuff you did last week, in that you need to be thinking about what you know about each different number. So think about different number facts. So let's get straight into the anchor task here. So we've got a teacher. She said to rearrange the digits to make your own 3-digit number. We do this quite a lot in class anyway. And then she wants the children to say a division fact about their number. So Rena, over here, has said that when you divide my number by 4, you get 153 remainder 3. Zach, over here, says that his number is a multiple of 6. So what I want you to do is I want you to think about, remember last time we looked at some division facts and you learnt something about the number 3. So if his number divides by 6, okay, it must also divide by 2 and by 3. So just think about those two facts there. What number could Zach have made? And how many possible numbers can you find? And what number did Rena make? So a couple of different things you need to try for that one. So very soon, pause the video, have a go at that. Think about what Zach's number must be if it divides by 2 and it divides by 3. And think about what method you could use. Maybe draw me a nice little bar model to work out Rena's number. So if you pause the video there. Okay, welcome back. Hopefully you've had a good go at that now. Quite a tricky one to get your head round. Let's look at how you could have solved it then. So for Zach's number, we've used 100 square. We know that multiples of 2 and they're the multiples of 3. Remember last time we looked at a rule to find out if a number divides exactly by 3. So if we would look at 124, for example, 1 add 2 equals 3, add your 4 equals 7. 7 is not a multiple of 3, so that would not divide by 3. If our number was 1, 2, 3, you do 1 add 2 equals 3, add your other 3 equals 6. So we know that 123 would be a multiple of 3. So looking at this here, so Zach's number must also be a multiple of 2. So it'll be an even number. That means his number must end in a 6. So two numbers that Zach could have made, that would be 516 or 156. So well done if you've got those. I'd be really impressed if you got those two right for that first attempt on there. Again, don't worry if you haven't. You've not seen many problems like this before, so it's good for you. Just have had a go at that. B, we need to find a number that gives an answer of 153 with a remainder of 3, so with 3 left over when it's divided by 4. Again, my favourite down here, we've got a good little bar model, so you would do 153 times 4, which would get you 612. Then you would simply add on your remainder because you've got, redraw that bar model out down here. 1, 2, 3, 4 lots of 153. And then you just, on the end, you got your remainder, your plus 3. So even if your bar model looks as scruffy as that, please send it in to me. I do like seeing the models that you draw that shows your thinking. So Rena made the number 615. Again, well done if you got that one. Okay, let's look at working together now. So I'll read through it, then I want you to pause the video when I say so and have a go. Lexi rearranges these digit cards to make a 3-digit number. So you're going to rearrange these cards to make a 3-digit number. It could be 971, 179. Which two numbers could she have made? So this is a fact about her number. When she divides it by 5, the remainder is 1. So think about when you divide something, or what do the multiples of 5 end in? Okay, have a think about that little clue before you ever go at it. So pause the video there. Okay, so hopefully you've had a go at this one. Well, when she divides the number by 5, she gets a remainder of 1. Well, we know that all multiples of 5 must end in a 0 or a 5. So if you were to write those out, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, they'll end in a 5 or a 0. The remainder is 1, so it's going to have to end with a 1. So if I'm going to put that digit at the end of my first digit card, I'm going to make 971. I'm then going to make 1 at the end, 791. So the two numbers she could have made would be 971 or 791. Okay, so have a think about this one again. We're still working together, so there'll be a chance for you to pause the video and have a go at it before I talk through the answer. What division calculation is shown here? What division calculation? What's going on? So you've got a total. How many parts have you got? What does this thing represent at the end here? And B, when a 3-digit number is divided by 4, the answer is 47, remainder 1. What is a number? Write the numbers in these boxes to help you out with that. So if you pause the video now, welcome back. So hopefully again you've had another go at these ones. 683 is our total, so that's, I'm going to zoom right in, that's going to go in here. And how many parts has that been split up into? Well, it's been split up into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 683 divided by 5 equals 136 with 3 left over. That's our remainder. Looking at B, when a 3-digit number is divided by 4, the answer is 47, remainder 1. What's a number? So we need to find out our total up here, don't we? So we can just use the inverse for that. So it's divided by 4. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We've already got our bar model drawn out for us. We've got our equal parts. So let's put 47 in the first box there. That's 47. That's 47. That's 47. And our remainder is 1. So we could do 47 times 4. So let's work out that calculation down here. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 4 is 16. Add your 2 is 18. So that'd be 188. But then we've got our remainder, haven't we? So we have to plus our remainder. So it'd be 188. Add your 1, and number would be 189. So again, well done if you've got that right. Some really tricky problem solving questions for you today. Hopefully you've kept up. Independent worksheet is attached to the lesson on Dojo. Work your way through it, and I will put the answers on Wednesday morning. So thank you for listening, and hopefully see you again soon. Bye bye.